join us this evening for an important lesson. Oh no, the electricity is gone. Spiky, can you run the generator?
Mrs. Coco, there's no fuel.
Okay, let's use this torch to continue this story.
Uh-oh, we are out of cells. I'll see if we can get some from the market.
Oh look, the light is back. That was scary for a moment. We have become very dependent on electricity. No country can run or function without this energy. In the world of industry, energy is like oxygen. No industry can run without electricity. From big industries and factories to small home appliances, everything runs on electricity. Because we need electricity, we must find a way to generate electricity in a way that does not harm our environment. Let's take a closer look at the problems in generating electricity. The fuel required to run generators is produced from fossil fuels. These are non-renewable. This means they will run out. What is worse, the use of fuel made from fossil fuels results in the release of harmful gases. This causes further problems for our environment. Other energy sources of electricity, like nuclear energy, are also non-renewable and can release harmful substances in the environment. On the other hand, geothermal energy uses the energy from hot springs to generate electricity. This source is renewable, that is, it won't run out, but hot springs are not found everywhere. This is why a lot of countries are looking to find renewable sources to generate electricity. These include water energy or hydroenergy and wind and solar energy. They are clean sources of energy. That means that they don't harm the environment, but they have other disadvantages. Hydropowered energy uses the flow of water to generate electricity. This requires dams. Dams cause problems for fish and other living creatures in water. Also, dams change the natural course of rivers and take away water from areas that need water for irrigation. Wind turbines use wind energy to generate electricity. You need large spaces of land. Some people believe they spoil the look of the landscape. Wind turbines also work best only if they're placed in areas where it is often windy. Solar energy uses the energy of the sun to generate electricity. This is done by setting up solar panels. However, these take up a lot of space and are expensive to set up. Still, in spite of their disadvantages, these sources are much better in the long term. Don't you think so? Which source of energy would you recommend if you were in power? Today, we learned the disadvantages in generating electricity by different means. Have a look at the table to see the disadvantage of each source.